video, and today I'm going to be doing the slime bag challenge part 2. Now this time it's exactly the same, only that instead of paint I have white sequins. So yeah, I've got white sequins, I've got white glue, I've got activator and shaving cream. I'm going to be blindfolded, and I'm going to pick one of these out. I have no idea which one it is. I'm just going to put it in the bowl and cut it. And then, yeah, so I won't actually know what I'm getting first unless I can tell by the weight. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so there's 4 bags. Alright, I'm going to pick this one out first. Is it in the bowl? I don't even know, but I think I got activator. Ah, it's coming out. Okay guys, I think I'm done with the glue. I don't actually know. But yeah, let's just move on to the next round. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. Oh, I think this is shaving cream. It's in the bowl. Oh, my scissors are like sticky.
Guys, now it's time for the last one, which is sequins. So, where are my scissors? Where are my scissors? Oh, okay, here. Are they coming out? I'm gonna try and cut it like at the top. Go on there. Come on, sequins, come out. Where are my scissors? Okay. My scissors are like covered in slime green. Okay guys, now I'm going to try and mix. Oh, this feels nice, but also really bad at the same time.
I got everything in the bowl. Okay guys, so what I'm holding right now, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna open my eyes because it's pretty much slime. It's just sticking to me because I've actually got like slime ingredients on me, but if I didn't have slime ingredients on me, it wouldn't be sticking to me. So technically I made slime, so I'm gonna open my eyes. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It looks like I'm playing with shit. Wow, the sequins really went in the bowl. Okay, well the slime is actually really pretty, and I'm happy I didn't get anything on me, although the sequins kind of didn't want to go in the bowl. But on the bright side, at least it was the sequins and not like the glue or the shaving cream or anything else, because all that stuff was like sticky and liquidy. So luckily, oh my gosh, a little bit went on there. So guys, I'm going to keep mixing now. I'm going to do a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so this is the slime I ended up with. It's white, it's fluffy, and it's so crunchy. So as you can see, all the sequins are gone, and it took me a very long time to clean them up and to wash everything else, and that's why it's in a different bowl right now. But at the same time, even though this is a little bit sticking to me just a little bit, I think I did a pretty good job since I was blindfolded. The last time I made blindfolded slime, it wasn't this. It feels really bad, but the color is cute. I mean, I did not put that much glue in, did I? Well, I mean, I was blindfolded, so I don't know, but you know, usually it's that. This is like this is one of the prettiest slimes I've ever made. Comment down below if I did a good job, and what if you bought this slime, what you would rate it. I'd probably rate it like a 4 because you wouldn't buy sticky slime, but it's just a little bit sticky, but like, I think I did a pretty good job. And it's stretchy. And guys, I love sequins in slime. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video. hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe. Again, if you want a shout out, all you gotta do is thumbs up this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, comment something, and comment that you've done that. And you might get a shout out on the screen. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.